We got this camera. It's called Skissy. It's a backup camera, and what I'm using right here is different from the regular one. I got a Secret Lighter F, and basically I'm gonna plug it in like this so the wire won't be plugged in the Secret Lighter plug, and this gonna hook it up to the camera. What am I doing is on this Honda Civic 2010, what I did, I made a hole through there, past this part right there, and I put a sticker and then screw it in. I can adjust it later when I'm done. Make sure I don't have the wire too long. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this. It's called, what is it called? Let me think for a second. Duct seal, not duct tape, it's duct seal. So duct seal, it basically a lot of the AC HVAC guy, they're using this duct seal. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it right there. I'm gonna tape this up later. I'm basically gonna show you what I ran, why I run to. So I run it to this purple right here, this plug that go right here for the reverse, and then run the wire through there all the way to the front. So as you can see, I use a SICK F, which is the model number is right there, if you can see that. And what it does is that way I don't have to run this plug to the Secret Lighter, and then it looks a lot better. So this is the finished looks. If you want to, on a Toyota, on a Honda, you can plug it right here, and it's got an external plug. And as you can see right there, if I back up right there, I can see them guys right there. So the manual is right there to hook it up, and yeah, it's got an Apple CarPlay and DVR. Look at that. What is blocking it? This thing's blocking it right there. I don't think they need this anymore. But yep, they can adjust and play with it later. Here's the customer. Here we go. Right there, look at the camera. Camera. Yeah. Alrighty. Perfect. Yep, thank you.